It is Mrs. Wells with Little Bean Learning. And let me tell you, we had a great On the Move Monday today. We were busy playing, learning, meeting new friends, and just having a really nice time at Sand Ridge Nature Center. Hi. The owl is looking at you? So thank you again for joining us for On the Move Monday. I highly recommend visiting Sand Ridge Nature Center in South Holland, Illinois. If you have never been, it's a great place. And if you've been, go again if it's been a while. Walk a new trail, read something new. There's so much to see and to do at Sand Ridge Nature Center. See you next week.